This hole in solid granite shouldn't exist.
Imagine drilling through solid granite with tools older than recorded history. In 1880, deep in Egypt, archaeologist Flinders Petrie discovered something that still doesn't make sense today: perfectly drilled holes carved into one of the hardest stones on Earth. Now, here's the problem. Even with modern diamond-tipped drills, cutting granite takes serious time and power. But these ancient holes? Their surfaces are unbelievably smooth, almost as if they were made by advanced machines. Petrie carefully measured them and found something shocking. The spiral grooves inside matched the precision, depth, and angle of modern CNC drilling. That shouldn't be possible.
The accepted theory says the Egyptians used simple copper tubes with sand acting as an abrasive. Rotate the tube, and slowly the stone wears away. Simple, right? But when researchers tested this method, something unexpected happened. The same spiral patterns appeared, but the efficiency didn't fully explain the original results. Even more surprising, Petrie estimated that the drilling speed suggested rates that rival or even exceed some modern industrial capabilities. So now the question becomes unavoidable. Were these ancient builders using a technique we've completely misunderstood? Because 4,000 years ago, without electricity, without modern machinery, they achieved a level of precision that still challenges our understanding today. So tell me, was this primitive engineering or something far more advanced than we're ready to admit?